Welcome to this video where I'll show you how you can activate the Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone. If you set your phone on Do Not Disturb, notifications and calls will be silenced, but you can still allow important contacts. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to the Settings app on your phone and then scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. And in here you can already see the option Do Not Disturb. And once we click on that one, all the different settings for Do Not Disturb are available here. On top here, where it says Do Not Disturb, it also gives you a little explanation what happens when you activate the Do Not Disturb mode. But that might differ from phone to phone, depending on the brand and model. In this case, my phone, if my phone is on Do Not Disturb, new notifications will not make any sound and will not appear on the home screen as banners, but alarms, timers, calendar events, and conversation messages will remain unaffected. To activate that, you only need to tap onto the toggle on the right hand side and the Do Not Disturb mode will be activated. Below that, you also have the option to silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. There's also the option to tap on Schedule to automatically enable Do Not Disturb at certain times, for example during sleep or work hours. All you need to do is to click on Schedule and then create an event and select the times from when to when you would like your phone to change to Do Not Disturb mode. When you go back a little bit further, down here you can also see that you have the option to set up exceptions. If you would still like to receive calls and messages from certain people, you can click on Calls and Messages and then choose who you would like to receive calls and messages from. That could be only from your favorite contacts, all your contacts, everyone or no one. You can also select apps that are allowed to interrupt when the Do Not Disturb mode is activated. Just click on Apps and then select from the lists the apps you would still like to receive notifications from when you're on Do Not Disturb. Just turn the toggle or click on the toggle here on the right and then those apps are accepted. You can also choose if repeat callers are allowed while Do Not Disturb is on. Once you set up all your preferences, you can also quickly access Do Not Disturb mode from the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of your screen like this and then look for Do Not Disturb. This is here and just click on it and turn it on, and it's asking you now for how long you would like to activate Do Not Disturb. That might be just manually for 1 hour, 2 hour or 8 hours. And there are also more options when you click on more here down the bottom. So this is how you activate Do Not Disturb mode on your Android. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.